Two-section Pan Bar Detachable handle can be installed on the left or right side according to your needs, and the safety lock protects your camera from accidents at all times. Made of all-metal precision CNC and casting technologies, the fluid head is firm and stable, rotates smoothly. Its maximum load is 11 pounds 5 kilograms while net weight is 1.9 pounds 0.86 kilograms only. The fluid damping tripod head with the 1/4 and 3/8 screws on the top can be used to mount the camera and telescope. Bottom base diameter 2.36 in 60 mm, standard 3/8 screw hole on the bottom, included with a 3/8 inch to 1/4 inch screw adapter, makes it suitable for all tripods, monopods, light stands and camera sliders. Please note, compatible with Manfrotto 501 HDV release plates. The video fluid head can be rotated 360 degrees smoothly on horizontal. The tilt range is -70 degrees to 90 degrees and the lock is firm, so that you can take photos whatever you want. Limited 5-year warranty, 24-hour customer service, max load, 11 pounds, tilt angle, +90 degrees, -70 degrees, pan range, 360 degrees, ball diameter, 2.36 in 60 mm. Top reviews from the United States. I put this on some Manfrotto legs and it's awesome. I was looking for something that was a bit more budget-friendly than the Manfrotto tripod heads, and this definitely has done the job. I use it for a Canon EOS R and a 70 to 200 mm lens and it holds everything no problem. I would buy this again.